Saw you walking in the street one day, it was a Sunday. You with flowers in your hand, you were dancing with your headphones on, didn't get that. Everyone was watching you moving in the beat, cause we're in the street. Get a glimpse of you were posing for them, yeah, you were strutting for them.
Hey everyone! Welcome back to another vlog! Na-miss ko yung ganitong vlog, guys. Yung day off, tapos maglilinis and mag-aayos ng bahay. Kasi yung bahay namin ngayon medyo magulo and madami akong gagawin ngayon. Kasi ang day off ko was only yesterday, pero hindi talaga siya off kasi from night shift ako, tapos natulog lang ako ng 4 hours and then nag-training ako for our new computer software ng 2:30 to 6:30. Tapos pag uwi ko talaga, guys, hindi ko na kaya. Nakatulog ako. Gising ako ng 2 a.m. para lang umihi. Tapos akala ko nung pagising ko, ano pa lang, madaling araw pa lang ulit. Ay nako, 7 na pala. Dumating na pala si Mac. So ngayon, guys, ay mag-ayos lang tayo ng bahay. Nakapag, na ako ng 1 load of my laundry. Tapos, lalabhan din pati itong kortina dito sa salas, magva-vacuum and all of that. Medyo hectic yung schedule ko ngayon, pero at least si Mac, matutulungan naman ako niyan pagdating sa mga ibang bagay. Pero nasa training din kasi siya ngayon for the computer software. Pero darating yun, matutulog kasi wala pang tulog. So ngayon, guys, ay mag-ayos lang talaga ako kasi gusto ko na pagdating namin from Canada, malinis yung bahay, may dadatnan kami na malinis kaming mga uniforms, and maayos ba? Ayoko kasi na darating ka, maglilinis ka pa, pagod ka na nga sa biyahe. Gusto ko yung pagdating namin, pahinga lang, matutulog, recharge for the duty. And ayoko na magulo yung bahay na iwan namin. Kasi what if something happens? Ayoko na, alam mo yun, kapag kunyari, may nangyari sa'yo on the road, and then you need someone to check your house for you, tas ang gulo-gulo, parang, yan, nakakahiya, parang ganun. Pero, ayun, gusto ko talaga na maayos yung bahay, malinis, na iiwan namin. So, maglinis na tayo, guys!
Almost the same as the first ones, but now I'm wondering, did you mean love? Just my love on the first one, not just someone that I've learned from, but somebody that I want to be. You can't be mine all in one time, but if you wanna try. Just what you got. You don't even know just what you want. Oh, I can feel you drifting. I don't know where to. Call me if you want to.
Strawberry sheets on your bed. 6 months of dreaming of you. What could we have been if things had never changed? Remember the day I saw my toothbrush was gone. think about you. About you. I still think about you. Tired of telling myself I'm not in love with you. So I tried to find love online. Took your advice, passed the time.
Break muna guys. Inimpake na namin, ayos pa namin kanina. Kasi inimpake lang din naman namin tong sofa. Bibigay na namin to sa Canada kasi si mama ko nagpapabili ng sofa. Tapos kasi gusto daw niya yung sofa namin. Sabi ko, may darating kasi kaming isa na sofa. So, ibibigay na lang to. Kasi si Nessie, yung sofa niya, ibibigay niya sa amin. So, ito, ibibigay ko na lang sa kanya. Para hindi, kasi naman problema kami kanina kung paano yung posisyon ng dalawang sofa. Parang magiging masikip na yung apartment kapag dalawa yung sofa namin. So, okay lang na yung kay Nessie na lang yung sa amin. Kasi pamigay na lang namin to sa kanila. Doon sa Canada. Tapos may recliner pa naman kami. So, sakto lang na para sa amin. Hindi naman kami nagkakaroon ng dito, mga bisita na madami. Carry lang naman. Suko.
사랑한다고 말해줬다면 믿어줄 수 있겠니? 넌 오직
Baliktad sa gamit.
Anong baligtad?
Ito dapat yung kasi maiksi. Kita mo ang gawin na gits mo? Ito ang maiksi yung niya, ito ma-wide. Oh.
Ay!
Dapat yung
너만 고통받고 있는 게 아니야 나도 아파야 Baby, I owe you means I love you and nothing else will do Baby, I owe you, oh yes I do
Hey guys, update. It's already 10 PM and hindi na namin kayo na-update kanina. So, kaninang hapon guys ay nalipat na namin yung sofa na bigay ni Nessie. It's over there. And meron siyang cover. So, mas malaki na yung sofa natin ngayon. Kaya feeling ko magsisisi si mother sa sofa na ibibigay ko sa kanya. Kasi maliit talaga yun eh. Pero sakto sana yun kung dito pa siya. Pwede pa pala. Pero yun nga lang, wala na kaming space para sa recliner. Mukhang mas importante po sa isang kasama ko yung recliner niya. So, ito na guys, yung salas ulit namin. Iba na naman yung itsura. Nakailang beses na kami naglipat-lipat ng mga gamit dito ngayong years. So, ayan guys, ito na yung salas namin. Nandun na sa corner yung sofa. Dito sa banda dito, yung recliner, tapos yung picture frame and my side table din. Kailangan talaga ng side table kasi para may lagay ng remote o kaya ng phone if manonood, ganyan. And then, dito naman guys, kung makikita nyo yung basket na yan yung lagayan ng mga throw blanket namin kasi ayoko siya na nandun sa may sofa. Parang feeling ko kasi magulo siya tingnan kahit decorative blanket yung ilagay natin. Parang magulo siya tingnan. Parang ang daming gamit na nakalagay. So, yan. And, of course, may side table din tayo. And may facial tissue lang dyan. Tsaka vase. And yung Bluetooth speaker para kung gusto na mag-Bluetooth lang, andun lang. Tapos, yung sa ilalim ng sofa dyan, guys, merong akong extension dyan na may surge protector na tawag ata dun. Yung may switch na siya. Tapos, pag pumutok, mamamatay lang siya, ganun. Yung mga pillows natin, maiiba pa yan in the coming days. Mahilig talaga kami guys sa mga, sa mga yellow na lamps kapag ganitong magre-rest na kami. So, pinalitan na namin yung mga ilaw dito sa salas ng, ano bang tawag dyan? Warm white? Pero sa dining table namin, puti pa din. Kasi syempre para mas makita yung pagkain, ganun. And yung ilaw, papunta dito sa, ayun, front door, puti yan guys. Daylight yan. So, gusto lang namin na warm lagi yung mga ilaw. Tapos may ano pa pala ko dyan. Parang string lights, curtain lights. Gusto lang namin na warm yung ilaw para mas relaxing siya sa feeling kapag gabi na nagre-relax kami. Ayan. So, tingnan mo, mas maganda yung kulay ng skin ko kapag ganito. Hindi ako masyadong wash out, ganun. Parang mamula-mula pa rin. Pero mas dark na nga lang yung mga dark spots ko. Pero you will see more of this area kapag mag-film na lang ako ng sit-down videos. Kasi mas relaxing, ganyan. Pero ang naano talaga ako is tabingi itong ano namin. Kasi nga dahil nandito na yung sofa, yung ano namin, coffee table namin, parang nakatapat din siya. Pero yung TV namin, nasa center pa rin ng, ng sala. So, kaya adjust namin yung TV namin na pag ganun sa mga susunod na araw kasi gabi na. Thank you so much everyone for watching and I hope nag-enjoy kayo and itutuloy ko pa to guys sa mga ganitong vlogs before ako magpunta ng Canada para yung preparation namin kasi talaga guys. Ay. Pero at least done na lahat ng laundry and pati yung kurtina ay tapos na. So ang ilalaba ko na lang ay yung binigay ni Nessie na extra cover nitong sofa kasi gamit niya noon yung puti. May cream pa siya, parang puti na takip. So, yun. Ito muna yung gamit namin, yung gray. Which is okay lang naman kasi dati namang gray yung ano namin, yung sofa namin. Mas dark nga lang to na gray.
Hi guys, thank you so much for watching to the end of this video. We appreciate you guys so very much. Anyway, here are the shoutouts for today's video. Okay, first is Galaxy Land in Canada. Jem Ruiz, Ronica Berto, Princess Mia! Woo! You better put your nose on that. You better put your nose on that. Abraham Hailil. Next is Costco Shopping. Frederick Fernandez, Inang Basalvidin, Abraham Hailil, Ronica Berto. Woo! You guys are super fans. Wow. Comment down below how long you guys have been watching her. Flying back to USA. Shout out to Baruch Noita Burnok, Ronica Berto, and once again, Ibrahim Hailil. You are a super fan. Next is decorating our Christmas tree. Guys, you know what? When she is video calling me in the Philippines, her Christmas tree was so skinny.
No, it wasn't.
Your Christmas tree was so tiny compared to ours.
Oh, when I was still in the Philippines?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was.
Decorating our Christmas tree shout out is Jem Ruiz. Nice. Ren's Mia. Ooh, another Mia. Wacky Stolen. Ronica Berto. Wow, you are a super fan, man.
Do you know who is Ronica Berta? Oh, that's the son of Nanang Nati.
What?
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello, Nanang Nati.
Hello. And guys, in the last video,
Continue.
She doesn't want to get exposed. Frederick Fernandez, Ida Hailil. Next is last minute Christmas shopping. Wow, you forgot to buy like Christmas stuff.
Yeah.
Renz Mia, Alia Mariano, Ronica Berto, Marlene Rinas. Hi, Lala Marlene. If you don't, let's not mention the other thing. Hi, Lala Marlene. Hello, Lala Marlene. If you're watching this, okay. And GA vlog. Also, guys, the reason why we're laughing is because last vlog, when we were doing like the thing, I accidentally said the wrong name when I was saying, hi, Lala Marlene. I accidentally said Lala Lerma because I don't talk to Lala Marlene that often, guys. Next is AS. Right after that is AI Bautista. Nafi L. That is not how you do an R, tita. She literally did her R like up, wee, up, wee. It's supposed to go up, curve.
Oh. That's what Tita Jan hates when I do that.
Ibrahim Ibrahim Halil, Mac Tito Mac, you commented?
No, it's not. What's the name?
Oh, never mind.
What's the name? Shout out to
Mac Bermucles.
what? Bermudas.
That is not
Mac Bermudas.
that is not a D, guys.
I
She
think
did her D's like, oh, and then she did like this right here.
Oh, that's how you write it.
Yeah, but there's like a giant space, like, dude, giant space. Ugh.
Okay, whatever.
Bermudas.
Okay, read it like a D.
Mac Bermudas. And next is, last but not least, Frederick Fernandez. See you guys later. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Go follow my Tita's socials. JoyOfMia Facebook, JoyOfMia Instagram. Bye guys! Woo! By the way guys, she better put in the fart blooper.
She farted.
Yeah, she's like,
Who did?
This is literally like, and I'm like, keep that in. And he said, no, I'm gonna cut that out.
Bye.
Bye, guys.